Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your stock portfolio, and see massive gains. A financial genius just gave you the hottest tip, and it worked. You feel invincible. You invest more. The next day, boom, your entire savings are wiped out, gone, just like that. What if I told you it wasn't bad luck? It was all part of a carefully crafted illusion, a scam so perfectly designed that even seasoned investors fell for it. Today, we expose the fake stock market genius, a mastermind who tricked thousands into believing he had the ultimate stock market formula, only to vanish with millions. And here's the craziest part. He didn't even trade stocks. Meet Ethan Carter, or as his followers called him, the stock whisperer. He had it all: a private jet, a luxury penthouse, expensive watches. He flaunted success. He promised to make you rich just like him. But here's the shocking truth. Ethan never made his fortune from stocks. He made it from you. Think about it. If he really had the secret formula to endless stock market wins, why would he share it with you instead of quietly making billions? Does that sound like a genius or a scam artist? So how did Ethan pull this off? Let's break it down. It all started with his exclusive stock club. He built a massive online presence boasting about insane gains, 10x, 20x returns. He showcased testimonials. People claiming they became millionaires overnight following his advice. But here's the twist. Most of these testimonials, fake. Yes, he paid actors to pose as successful traders. The screenshots of massive profits, Photoshop. Ethan's method was simple, yet brilliant. Step 1, he'd offer free stock tips that magically performed well. Step 2, once you started trusting him, he'd sell you a premium membership, claiming to reveal the real insider secrets. Step 3, as thousands joined, he used their own money to fabricate more fake wins, creating the illusion of an unbeatable system. And by the time people realized the truth, he was gone. So how did Ethan get caught? Well, remember those surefire stock tips he was given? Turns out he wasn't analyzing stocks at all. He was manipulating them. He ran a classic pump and dump scam. Here's how it worked. 1, he'd tell his followers to buy a specific stock, causing its price to surge. 2, as the hype grew, outsiders also jumped in. 3, once the stock hit its peak, Ethan secretly sold his shares for massive profits. The moment he cashed out, the stock crashed, leaving everyone else with worthless investments. By the time authorities caught wind of his scheme, Ethan had scammed over $100 million from everyday investors. Some lost their life savings, some lost their homes. But guess what? When the SEC finally arrested him, he had one last trick up his sleeve. Even from behind bars, Ethan kept scamming. He convinced his followers that his arrest was a government conspiracy. He claimed he was targeted for exposing Wall Street secrets. And get this, he started selling a new course from prison. Let's rewind a bit and go deeper into how Ethan built his empire of deception. Ethan wasn't always a fraudster. He started off like many ambitious young men, obsessed with the idea of wealth and power. He devoured books on investing, studied Wall Street's biggest players, and even tried day trading himself. But here's the problem. He sucked at it. Every trade he made ended in disaster. Instead of making money, he lost everything. And that's when he had an epiphany. Why should I risk my own money when I can just take other people's? That's when he flipped the game. Instead of trying to win the market, he decided to sell the dream of winning. Ethan understood one critical human weakness: greed. People don't want to hear that building wealth takes time, patience, and knowledge. They want instant success. So he gave them exactly what they wanted: hope, illusions, and a fast track to riches. And people ate it up. Ethan mastered social media. He used flashy Instagram posts, motivational TikToks, and high-energy YouTube videos to look like a stock market genius. He knew people didn't care about credentials. They cared about results. So he faked them, and no one questioned it. John, a retired teacher, lost his entire retirement fund. Emily, a single mother, put her life savings into Ethan's program, hoping to secure a better future for her kids. One after another, victims came forward, and the more people spoke out, the more the illusion crumbled. So, what's the lesson here? If someone promises guaranteed stock market wins, run. There's no such thing as easy money, especially when someone else is selling it to you. And if you think Ethan was bad, he's just one player in a much bigger game. The fake guru epidemic is real. Self-proclaimed millionaires selling dreams, but living a lie. Want to know how they do it? Click here to watch our next video. The fake guru epidemic. How self-proclaimed millionaires sell dreams but live a lie. Stay smart. Stay skeptical. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.